I'm excited. I'm going to get my project bag ready for my Christmas socks that I said I was going to work on. My gift knitting is finished, so I can start my socks. So the things that I normally keep in my project bag when I'm working on anything, first thing that goes in is a crochet hook, because this is helpful for when you drop stitches as you're knitting, so that you can crochet them back up to where they're supposed to be. And when I run across that when I'm working on these, I will make sure that I record that so that I can show that to you. But every project bag gets a crochet hook. And I have a new set of double pointed needles. These are Knitter's Pride Zing. I got these during my yarncation this year. I've never used metal double points, so we'll see how they go. And it's been a long time since I've used them on socks, so those are going in the project bag. And of course, I'm getting the yarn ready. Previous Vlogmas episode, I caked all this up, but this is the Cascade Valley colorway. And I thought this looked pretty Christmassy, so I'm going to make some stripey socks. I'm still deciding on the order, so when I cast these on tomorrow for that recording on day 13, I will let you know what we're going to do. The only thing I know for sure is the green, because it's so much brighter than everything else. I'm only going to do some micro stripes with that, and then bigger stripes with everything else. And I don't know if I'm going to use this as a contrast, or if this is going to be just like in between these other two. So like I would maybe start a stripe with that, and then do a micro stripe, and then this micro stripe, this micro stripe, this. Maybe. We'll see. It's improvisation. Come with me and you will see a world of pure imagination with yarn. So that is now all in the project bag, and I'm ready to go tomorrow. Have a good one.